To claim use of home expenses as a business owner. So this is a very popular question, and nowadays we do have a lot of businesses that are primarily based from home or have a virtual business because we do a lot of stuff online. So I do have a lot of people ask me questions about how they can claim the use of home to make sure it's legitimate and also reasonable, because they do pay rent, pay the utility and council tax. And these things, they do require the electricity and also the internet to be able to run their virtual business. So if you do have a virtual business or home-based business, make sure you do take this advantage to claim use of home expenses. So there are three ways to do it. In the end, we need to decide which one is the most reasonable and beneficial for your business. First of all is to look at, on average, how many hours per week you work from home. For instance, if you work 17 hours per week from home on average, and there are 168 hours in total for the week, then that is roughly 10%. So you claim 10% on all the stuff like your rent, electricity, and council tax of everything. Or if you can decide it by the number of rooms or the proportion of the space. For instance, if you have 4 rooms and you use one of them as an office, so you can claim 1/4 of everything, or your rent or electricity. And the third way, that is simplified fixed claim. So that is most likely if you work, depends on the number of hours you work per month. And if you work more than 100 hours per month from home, the amount you can claim as a fixed claim, that is £312 for the year. So, and of course, when in comparison, if you work quite significant amount of hours from home, option 1 or option 2, that will be beneficial for you, because it is likely that you'll be able to claim more, especially if you are based in London. But you might use option 3 when, say, for instance, you missed out, you forgot to record all the expenditures for the whole year, and it is a bit late, or you think you just don't bother spending the time to claim everything, to record all your utility or electricity. So that is fine too. So overall, just a little bit recap, there are 3 ways to do it. First is determined by the portion of time, the number of hours you work from home. And secondly, that is by space or the number of rooms. And the third, that is a simplified expenses. That is normally not as advantageous in comparison to first and second options, but if you do miss out for the whole year, or you don't really want to keep all the records, option 3 will be for you. Okay, so this video, if you enjoy this video, just so you know, I do provide personalized advice on home-based businesses and how to claim use of home expenses to my clients. So if you're interested in, all you need to do is get in touch with me by email or by my booking link below, so we can arrange a chat. Okay, so again, I hope you enjoy this one and have a wonderful day, and I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye now.